Welcome to today's DIY craft video. I'll show you how to transform simple wooden clothespins into a beautiful decorative piece. First, you'll need about some wooden clothespins. Carefully remove the metal springs from all the clothespins. And one cardboard tube. It will be base of whole project. Create base circles. Trace 2 circles onto cardboard using the tube as a guide. You'll use the 2 wooden halves from each peg. Cut these circles out carefully. For the best results, be sure to watch all the way to the end. Apply glue to one side of each cardboard circle. Assemble the base. Joint the cued both piece with each other. Firmly attach one circle to each end of the cardboard tube. This creates a cylinder with sealed ends. Let the glue dry. Paint the base. Apply an even coat of shiny acrylic paint, sometimes called metallic paint, over the entire cylinder. Let it dry completely. Attach the clothespin halves. Apply glue to the flat side of a clothespin half. Press it firmly onto the painted tube. Divide your clothespin halves. Attach one set around the top of the tube, and the other set around the bottom. Continue until both rings are full. Add decorative rope. First, reinforce and decorate. Tie rope securely around the tube, between the top and bottom. Clothespin rings. This adds strength and looks great. Next, layer the look. Add 2 to 3 more rope bands at different points between the rings. Try using white rope for some layers. It creates a lovely contrast. Finally, wrap rope tightly around the bottom cardboard circle. Below the clips for a finished touch. Optional staining. For a vintage look, stain the wooden clothespin halves. Mix strong coffee, 2 to 3 tablespoons per cup of water. Brush the coffee evenly over the wood. Test on a spare piece first. Let it dry. And there you have it. Your beautiful clothespin decor is complete. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!